So to find a miss on Bob, this is a little chart I've just drawn up for you guys to see. Get that in focus. Oh, stop being emotional. Why isn't it focusing? There we go. So if the revs go up, it's a lack of fuel. So it's a block pilot, a sink out, or the pilot screws a little bit out. If the revs go down, the cylinder's okay. And there's no change, it's no spark or fouled plug or compression issue. So what I like to use is just a bit of starting fluid. The stuff I use is by Newline. It's called Start Your Bastard, great name for it. G'day guys, we're back here with Bob. We're going to try to work out this miss. So we know there's a miss in cylinder 4. So I'm just going to show you a quick little trick to work out, you know, is it fuel, is it a compression issue, is it a spark issue? So this is a go-to I use all the time, and it just gives me a really quick diagnosis and, you know, saves you scratching your head. So because we know we've cleaned the carbies, but still we can't rule it out. Just because you've done something doesn't mean it's right. So here we go. We'll start up. I've put a quiet exhaust on it, so it doesn't get too loud on the camera. So you can hear that miss. Right, I'm just going to add some Start Your Bastard. Cylinder 1. So that picked up a little bit. Cylinder 2 died. Same as cylinder 3. No change on cylinder 4. Again, you hear one picked up. No change in cylinder 4. So that tells me this has got two separate problems. So cylinder 1 needs more fuel. It could be a sink, it could be a blocked pilot, it could be just a bit more, another turn on the pilot screw out for a bit more fuel. Cylinder 4 is a spark plug issue. So I'm going to take the spark plug out in number 4 and see what happens. So I've sorted the two misses out on two misfires on Bob. So cylinder 4 was a fouled plug. Reason being fouled, you know, we put a lot of stuff in the cylinder, and it's just fouled the plug. So the spark's jumping where it shouldn't be jumping. That's why if you're trying to start a bike with fouled plugs, you'll hear that. You hear that miss before when I just slight revs. It's like a pop through the exhaust, and sometimes you'll get the it's like a deep noise through the exhaust. Sounds cool, but it won't help fire the bike. Reason why we haven't just put new plugs in it, because this bike's been sitting for 3 years, all that carbon and muck cylinder sitting on the cylinders and on the cylinder head itself and the valves, it's going to flake off and just clog up the plug anyway. So we'll persist with these old ones. We'll do a few heat cycles. I'll put some of this stuff through it. It's called power foam. It is unreal. It breaks down carbon like no man's business. So I'll just do a start now to show you guys too. And also cylinder 1, I gave it a little bit more fuel on the pilot screw. It's very happy, and I just gave it a quick sink. So let's see how this runs now. When these bikes are running and running good, it should be ignition on. See that? I just hit the starter. I didn't touch the throttle at all. So now I'm going to do the same test. I'm going to throw some Start Your Bastard and see what happens now. Seed number 1 went down now. 2 the same. 3 the same. 4 the same. Now when I say I spray a little bit of this stuff, I'm just doing this like a mist. I'm not like, you know. See some of you guys spray stuff and you just go, man, just calm your thumb, dude. So now, so I'm much more happy the way it's running now. I still will pull the carbies down again, clean them again. I still think there's a bit of muck in the passageways, but at least this way I'll get a few revs up, get some carbon out, a few heat cycles, and once I'm happy, it's strip down, restore, send it. See you guys.